Today felt like a seafood day, so I pulled my long piece of salmon out of the freezer and I decided to make salmon with cream cheese, spinach, shrimp, and mozzarella cheese. And I also, of course, seasoned it to perfection, as you can see right here. The salmon was a pretty big piece too. And I actually took a bowl and I put some cream cheese and some spinach and a few seasonings in it. And I stirred it up real good so that I could slather it all over the salmon. In these pictures, you'll be able to see what it looked like after I slathered the cream cheese and the spinach on top. I'll let you look at the pictures for a moment. I did use mozzarella cheese on top of the cream cheese and spinach, and then I topped that with red shrimp, and I topped that with butter with herbs and seasonings like parsley, garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper, paprika, of course, for a little color. I think I used some thyme and a little basil, and it really turned out nice. These are still before shots before I put it in the oven, and now the after shots are going to go by. But it turned out very beautiful, and I didn't realize how big it was. I stuck those large, they were extra large shrimp on top, 4 of them, so you could get 4 pieces out of that salmon. So that kind of gives you an idea of how big it actually was. So here's a few more pictures of it, and here's a close-up even. It really turned out lovely. I didn't know it would turn out that beautiful. And this is what I had: the fried potatoes with onions, salmon with the shrimp, and I had some mixed vegetables, and it turned out to be a really, really good meal. You should try it. It's very easy. Use the seasonings that you love and enjoy. I did want to add that I baked the salmon on 350 degrees for 20 minutes, but I would suggest 20 to 25 minutes depending on your oven. My oven gets kind of hot, so I didn't have to cook it very long. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.